I'm replacing the control panel on an Evolution 2 Generac generator. This is the Evolution 2. This has the Wi-Fi. This particular generator is a 16 kW. The first thing I want to do is I want to pull the fuse out. Okay, so actually let's power it off. You're going to shut it off here. Once you shut it off, you're going to pull this fuse out. Once you pull the fuse out, you're also going to go to the breaker, shut off the breaker. Once you go to the breaker, you're going to go to the control panel, and this is the automatic transfer switch. I'm going to remove it. Once I remove the automatic transfer switch, I'm going to remove the cover as well. Once I remove this cover, set it off to the side. I'm going to pull right here the power cord that goes to the generator. Right here, this is the main power that gives it the signal, and there's voltage going. You're going to pull it out. Now your control panel is completely dead. After, you're also going to remove the side cover. Going to put that off to the side, and now we're going to take this cover off. We're going to lift it, move it off to the side, and you're going to have a bolt underneath. This is the type of bolt right here. It's probably a 6.5 millimeter. All I did is I just used some pliers to unscrew that, and that is located right over here. It's going to be located right there. And what you do then is you're going to go to the side here, and you can see it's got a couple of these tabs there. You're just going to push forward, and once you push forward, this should lift right up, or you push away and then lift up. And once you do that, this is the old one, by the way. This is the old model number that I'm replacing. And this is the new model number I'm installing. Okay. And once you do that, you're going to unplug it. You're going to go to the back. You can see there's some plug connections. You're just going to unplug everything. Set that off to the side and plug it in to here. Once you plug it in, you're going to reinstall everything. This is what the wires look like in the back before I unplug it. And just unplug them. Just remember how you did it and plug it into the new one. Remember, when you're unplugging them, they have tabs, so make sure you push the tabs so you don't break them, and gently pull out towards you. If you don't push these tabs, you're going to break something. Now what I did is I reconnected it. This one happens to have the fuse inside of it, so it comes with the fuse. And I'm now going to remove the old one off to the side. So let's take this off to the side. That's the old. This is the new. And I'm just going to reassemble it and put it back together. This is where I was talking about right there. It's kind of like a tab slider type deal right here. So you're just going to put it back and slide it towards you. Okay, I'm going to put it inside those 3 holes and slide it, and just slide it back. Okay, and then once you do that, you're going to go through the prompts: English, United States, etc. Okay, and pretty much just reinstall everything, including your Wi-Fi, and you should be good to go. Alright, I'm going to basically reassemble everything. So the side cover, let's get that off to the side. Let's go to the utility, plug this in. Alright, got that on. We're going to tighten everything up, put it all back together. Now that everything's been reassembled, let's see if it starts and if everything's good. What I did is I went through the prompts here, and from the prompts I just said the language, is it natural gas, the date, etc. You know, so I used the keypad and got it to this screen right here. All right, so I just went through the prompts, the setup prompts. All right, so now I'm going to put my breaker on. As you can see, the fuse is there, and we're going to take it out of off position and we're going to put it on manual. Just so you know, when you buy the new control panel, it does not come with the sticker. So you can use a heat gun to heat this up and remove it, or buy the sticker. If you use the heat gun, just don't burn it, just gently heat this up and it should peel away. And then just add it to your new one, because it does not come with the sticker.